And the conquering heroes return. You ready to go again? Get my sweet husband waiting to help the ladies down. Are you guys going to go again? They're discussing about whether they're going to float back along here against the current. Well, that's why that rope's there, to get back up here to the shore. Well, right here where it's shallow. Or whether they're going to just hold onto the rope and walk across or swim across. Oops, I don't know what happened there, but all these things are a process, you know. That's Randy, Mr. Sweet Potato. His little sister Tammy, who we call Tammy Lammy. And a neighbor of hers named Margaret, who must have tender feet because Tammy has now given her her shoes. So I seriously think it took them longer, the girls, to get around that first bend right there and disappear right under where those trees are than it did for them to do the rest of the course and walk back along the trail that follows the river that you can't see except for the end of it. And we almost are in the water now. This could be really funny. Could be really bad too. Or it could be uneventful. What do you think, Shadow Man? Where are you? How are they doing down there? Hey, Shadow. Hey, look at Mama. Hey, show those pretty blues. Nope. Oh, well, she didn't fall. That was a good thing. And next we have... Oh, that was kind of funny. Next we have Miss Margaret's going to get in her little... There she goes. Safe. Now let's watch Randy. See how he does. He'll probably just walk. He doesn't like having his butt in that tube, I don't think. I think that's his issue. Yep, he's tying his tube to Tammy's and he intends to pull them across. This should be great. I'm really excited about this crossing. There's I can't hold the camera still for laughing. That was good. Do it again. Do it again.
I run the trout out of the hole.
I bet you did. Oh, stop laughing. You can't laugh. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's got to come all the way to right about here. Here it comes. And there's his little passengers. He's pulling along. He's walking across. It's such a deep river. I'll say that, and there he goes again. Oh, he's got to find his own way too, right? Okay, the sister and the brother are going to fight because she wants to hold the rope. They both got to control everything. Randy, just let her go. Let her pull herself in by the rope then.
Well, the other lady's having a health problem.
Well, she wants to stay out there, Randy.
Well, they're not tied together. They're not tied together.
You going down again? You're free! You're free! Whoa, my strong man. Whoops. You want to try that one again, honey? Randy? Yeah. You okay?
No, I'm fine.
I'm doing great. They're pretty darn funny.
Need the rain or something.
So are you guys wanting to go down again?
No, I'm not.
You just want to play for a minute. That's what they want to do. You got time?
Yeah, I was just going to say, because I have to run down to the takeout and pick up some kayakers.
Oh, we'll be fine.
Okay.
You want that one?
Yeah, sure. If you're done with it, I'll take it up.
Rinse it off.
You just make sure you hold on to the rope. I'm holding on to the rope. You're taking pictures of us.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You can take pictures of me all she wants.
Say hey, Tammy. Woo! Look at that. That's such a great... Wait a minute. Do it again. Let me get you all in it. I had you too zoomed. Woo!
That was fun.
Yay, Tammy. You have fun, Margaret? You kept falling?
When we got down at the rock, fell out.
They're not helping us to crawl out of the river,
We got
man.
rapids, the hard water, and trying to get out with both buses and that.
I want y'all to know that it took you longer to get around that first curve than it did for the most of the rest of the dang trip.
It took you what? You to run the first
It took y'all longer to disappear around that first bend than it did for y'all to come on down and come back up.
It's not deep.
I got the rope right here. I'm making sure that I can handle myself. I can't get up if I get my feet down there.
I think my behind is turning into this rock.
Cat's loving it.
Oh, he's had a blast. He done climbed way up this tree, went down to the water, got in the kudzu.
Hey!
Don't you love him, Timmy? He's my baby.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but you have to go where he wants to go,
I
Randy.
understand that.
Send it to me in private message. You hear me?
Yeah, but it's going to be long. I don't know how I'm going to be able to... I mean, I'll have to do it some way to reduce it because it's already up to $8 or something. Why do you stink?
Yeah, well, I was talking about just take regular pictures and send me a couple
Oh.
on Facebook.
Okay, I'm going to stop this.